My correct person there, I greet you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach where you dey. My name na Lawuro Favour, and this na Open Heavens Daily Devotion here on Favour's blog. For today will be Saturday, the 24th day of August 2024. Our topic for today na know yourself. Our Bible reading for today, it will come from the book of Psalms 139 from verse 13 go shook body enter 14, and we go read am. Na you make inside me, you join me together for inside my mama belle. I go praise you because you make me with respect plus wonders. Your work na elele, my soul know that one wella. Our memory verse for today, it will come from the book of 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9. But God don't choose una to be a priest and holy people, so that una go preach the good news, because he call una from darkness come enter bright light. Make we enter today's message. I better not forget to like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. Many a times the devil go dey talk small things enter inside our ear to deceive us, so that we no go waka inside the identity and the authority wey God don give us. This na why e dey very important for us to know who we be inside Jesus Christ. King son fit beg food inside papa palace if e no know who e be. You must know who you be, and you go only fit know this one when you see yourself the way God dey see you. So you go ask yourself, how God dey see me? If situation show you shege and devil dey try to tell you say you no go win, make you remember wetin Bible talk about you for inside Romans chapter 8 verse 37. Wey tell us to say, no na, for all these things we pass person wey we fight through Jesus Christ wey love us scatter. Even though that situation fit don conquer plenty people for past, e no go fit conquer you, because why? You pass who win the fight through Jesus Christ, wey don love you and wey forever go love you. Sometimes the devil go dey tell you say you no dey good enough to dey at the top or to achieve your goals. Just laugh. May you quote Deuteronomy 28 verse 13 give am. Wey talk say, and God go make you the head and not the tail, and you go always dey on top and you no go ever dey under. The Bible talk say you go dey on top only, so no space for you for bottom. The only space wey dey available for you as God pikin na on top, and you go take your place in Jesus name. The devil fit talk anything when he wan talk, but you know the truth and you no go accept am, or he lies, or you no go listen to am. You know the real you for inside Jesus Christ, so you go ignore anything wey the devil tell you. Why? Because you know say na liar. John chapter 8 verse 44. As you ignore am, your actions and your thoughts go follow the same line. They go ignore the devil too. You no go let him lies come dey tell you wetin to do or wetin you no go do. Him word must not shape your thought or anything wey concern wetin you believe about yourself or not. The devil too small to control the thoughts and the actions of person wey believe in Jesus Christ. Why? Because your living, your moving and your being na inside God and not before any other counsel. As we see for inside Acts chapter 17 verse 28, we tell us say, for inside am we dey live, we dey waka, we get life, and some of una wey dey write poem don talk am say we sef we be God pikin. Our key point for today be say, when you know who you true be inside God word, the devil no go dey able to deceive you again. So me, I go advise you, know yourself. Now here we take come to the end of today's message. Don't forget to tell our topic be know yourself. And now Open Heavens Daily Devotional with Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God worldwide, right? Now this message for take come. This na still Favour blog, my betalicious person. I beg, may you don't forget to help us like this video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers. And if you never joined the family, I beg hit the subscribe button now so that you could join us and you could be one of the first persons to get our very next video as soon as it drop. Make it better for you.